Welcome back, fast foodies. What if I told you I have a secret recipe that will make anybody love vegetables? And yes, I mean anybody. Your kids, your spouse, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, that person who just doesn't like veggies. They will love this recipe. My name is Teresa Von Regan, and welcome to Cooking with Teresa. Let's jump in to cooking tamari broccoli. Step 1. Heat your burner to medium or medium-high heat depending on your burner strength. Then after 1 minute, pour the olive oil in the pan or pot. Step 2. Add the minced garlic to the olive oil and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's slightly getting golden brown. Step 3. Add your broccoli to your olive oil and minced garlic mixture, stirring frequently for about 5 minutes. Step 4. Add the tamari to the broccoli, olive oil, garlic mixture and toss for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of simmering the tamari with the broccoli, your tamari broccoli is ready to serve. Here it is. This is a foolproof way to have anyone eat their vegetables. Don't forget, smash that subscribe and like and comment below with what recipe you want to see next. Bye for now, fam.